Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this MK7 Golf GTI in for a suspension upgrade. We also have a surprise guest here, whose car it is. So
Hi.
you might be familiar with TR Hamza's channel, and probably a lot of you already follow his channel already. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video. So yeah, we're upgrading the suspension on your Golf GTI project today.
Yeah, it's the first main mod for the car. Probably one of the best mods you can do. It's a standard GTI, well, sort of standard, I hope anyway. It's got DCC, so we're going to be fitting BILSTEIN coilovers today. And yeah, addressing that ride height, as you can see.
Yeah, reduce that arch gap, make it stop looking like a OAP car, I guess.
Yeah, because I heard these they sit a bit higher, don't they, compared to a normal non-DCC car. But yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, perfect. So yeah, installing suspension kit today. Do you want to walk us through some of the other spec on the car? So it's a manual,
yeah, so it's
got the DCC.
So it's a totally standard GTI as far as I'm aware so far. 3-door manual, in black of course. It's got Mark 7.5 wheels on it, but it's actually a Mark 7. They're all a bit bent as well, but we'll address that soon. And yeah, so this was like the cheapest one I could find. And the whole kind of purpose is to sort of transform it and make it into, I wouldn't say like an all-out track car, but like a like a club sport vibe.
Yeah, it's something you can like get in and drive to the shops and stuff like that, not have your teeth shaken out, but legit, still take it on a track day, have some fun, go out on the B roads and stuff.
Yeah, spot on. So I'm essentially, I want to build my own Club Sport S plus a bit more for what, a third or quarter of the price?
Yeah.
Because I mean, what, they're like 40 grand now, so
yeah, that's
essentially the plan. Suspension being the main thing, and of course we're going to be back in a few weeks time for some other upgrades. We'll wait on that video.
So you've done quite a lot of our subscribers want to know what the car drives like before and after, and obviously you're going to cover that on your channel as well. So we'll put like a link in so you can go over to Hamza's channel as well and check out his before and after impressions. But yeah, we're going to get the car in the shop, do our usual, get the suspension fitted, show you what it looks like before and after. But yeah, if you want to know what it drives like, then head over to TR Hamza's channel as well.
Cool.
Okay, so we've got TR Hamza's MK7 GTI up on the ramps behind us. We're just going to talk you through the parts that we've got. So obviously we're going for the BILSTEIN B16 DampTronic coilover kit. He wanted to retain like the electronic functionality, like the adjustability on the standard suspension that he has. So obviously this is the only way to go about doing that. And obviously with the coilover adjustment, we can reduce the arch gap, and also we can corner weight the car if we need to as well. So with the DampTronic kit, what you're getting is more finely tuned spring rates, more finely tuned damping as well. So like in your comfort mode, and then also in the sportier modes as well, you get much better sort of like chassis control, wheel control, all that kind of stuff. And to me, the car feels a lot more sort of like composed as well. We've got a lot of customers that use these cars on the road and on the track, and it gives you the best of both worlds without having to sort of like make a sacrifice of having to manually adjust it. So if you've got the EDC, like electronic dampers on the factory car, and you want to maintain it, this is the way to go. If you did want to delete the electronic dampers, then we can supply like a passive kit with like a delete kit. But obviously if you've got it, you probably want to maintain it. And we've got replacement factory top mounts for the front and the rear as well. Obviously it'd be a shame to go to all the effort of replacing all the like dampers and then fit it to standard top mounts, which could then knock relatively quickly in the near future. So we've got all that, and then obviously we've got all the bolts, all of the nuts, and all that kind of stuff, just in case. Obviously it's a 120,000 mile car plus, and we want to make sure that things aren't seized, or if they are seized, then we've got obviously a plan to renew them. And then TR Hamza said that he's got a noise coming from the wheel bearing as well, so we've got a wheel bearing to replace that with. So yeah, going to get all this installed on the car, show you what it looks like a little bit later on, and then if you want to know obviously what the driving impressions are before and after, then head over to TR Hamza's page. So we're all finished with the suspension install on Hamza's MK7 GTI, so we're just going to have a look around it now. So what do you think?
It's definitely very noticeably different. It actually looks like a GTI now. Before it was sitting a bit 4x4-ish, if that makes sense. Yeah, I think the ride height we've gone for is definitely because we're going to be putting a 235 section tyre on it, it'll definitely fill it out just right. But yeah, it makes me want to keep the stock wheels now.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it looks really nice. Like, there's not too much arch gap. Like, the distance isn't too far from the wheel as well. So
it's definitely as first mods go, this is probably one of the best things you can do. So just want to see what it drives like now.
You can do the exciting part now. Go out for a little drive in it.
So it'd be nice taking it back on the exact same roads that I tested it on previously. Get a nice back-to-back comparison. But yeah, definitely very happy with it.
Perfect.
Spot on exactly what I was looking for.
Yeah, looking forward to hearing what you think about it.
Yeah, man. Nice one.
Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.